Losing body fat doesn't have to mean resorting to crash diets, extreme workout routines, or overly restrictive eating plans. Instead, one of the most sustainable ways to shed excess fat is to focus on nutrient-dense foods that support fat loss, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling full and energized. Incorporating certain foods into your daily diet can help you achieve your fitness goals while still enjoying delicious meals. Here are 11 top foods scientifically proven to aid in fat loss. 1. Avocados. Avocados are not just a trendy toast topping, they're also a fantastic fat-burning food. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce belly fat while promoting satiety. The healthy fats in avocados also improve heart health and provide essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamin K. How to add them? Add sliced avocado to salads, blend into smoothies, or use as a creamy spread on whole grain toast. 2. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. The protein content in eggs supports muscle growth and repair, while the amino acid leucine promotes fat burning. Additionally, eggs keep you feeling full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. How to add them? Enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in omelets for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. 3. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its metabolism-boosting properties. It contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps increase fat oxidation and enhance energy expenditure. Combined with caffeine, green tea can be a powerful natural fat burner. How to add it? Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily or incorporate matcha powder into your smoothies or baked goods. 4. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation, improve metabolism, and target belly fat. Additionally, salmon provides high-quality protein to keep you feeling full and support muscle building. How to add it? Grill, bake, or pan-sear salmon and pair it with steamed vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and contains probiotics that promote gut health. A healthy gut is essential for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption, which indirectly supports fat loss. Greek yogurt's protein content also aids in reducing hunger and building lean muscle. How to add it? Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, mix it with fruits and nuts, or use it as a base for smoothies and salad dressings. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. These nutrients work together to keep you full, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce unhealthy cravings. How to add them? Sprinkle nuts and seeds over oatmeal, salads, or yogurt, or enjoy them as a portable snack. 7. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Their low energy density means you can eat large portions without consuming too many calories. Additionally, the fiber content helps promote satiety and maintain stable blood sugar levels. How to add them? Use leafy greens as a base for salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. 8. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that boosts metabolism and increases fat oxidation. Capsaicin also has appetite-suppressing properties, making it easier to control your caloric intake. How to add them? Incorporate chili peppers into soups, stir-fries, or marinades, or sprinkle cayenne pepper on your meals. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, oats, and brown rice are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates. These foods provide sustained energy and help prevent blood sugar spikes, which can lead to fat storage. The fiber in whole grains also supports digestive health and promotes fullness. How to add them? Swap refined grains for whole grain options in your meals, such as using quinoa in salads or oats for breakfast. 10. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in antioxidants and fiber. The natural sweetness of berries can help curb sugar cravings, while their fiber content supports digestion and satiety. How to add them? Add fresh or frozen berries to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. 11. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been linked to improved fat burning and appetite control. Its acetic acid content helps reduce fat storage, improve metabolism, and stabilize blood sugar levels. How to add it? Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with water and drink it before meals, or use it as a tangy dressing for salads. Bonus tips for effective fat loss. While incorporating these 11 foods into your diet is an excellent start, sustainable fat loss also requires a holistic approach. Here are some additional tips to maximize your results. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports metabolism. Prioritize protein. Protein not only helps build muscle but also requires more energy to digest, contributing to calorie burn. Practice portion control. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in excessive amounts. Get moving. Combine a balanced diet with regular exercise to burn calories and build lean muscle. Sleep well. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, leading to increased fat storage. Final thoughts. Losing body fat doesn't have to involve deprivation or monotony. By incorporating these top 11 fat-burning foods into your diet, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious meals while supporting your fat loss goals. Pair these foods with a healthy lifestyle, and you'll be well on your way to achieving a leaner, healthier body.